Tap from a Charity CPA with a tax tip for those of you who may be using a portion of your home as a principal part of your business. You may be entitled to a deduction on your income tax return. So there's a couple of things that you have to ask yourself. And first is, am I self-employed or a contractor? Because if you're an employee, it's not going to work, okay? So it's only when you're running your own business. The next thing you're going to say, is this portion of the home exclusive for my business, meaning that it's not also my gym and not also my child's playroom. So it has to be exclusive, dedicated space. The next thing you would ask is, do I use it on a regular basis? So this is the consistent place where I go and use my and conduct my business. Okay. If we determine those answers are yes, then we can use the space. There are two methods to calculate the deduction, and one is the simplified method, another one's the detailed method. The simplified method says you're going to use the $5 prescribed rate over a maximum square footage of your space of 300 square footage. So if you have less than that, use less than that times $5. Otherwise, you use the detailed method. And the detailed method, you're going to look at direct expenses and indirect expenses. Direct are like specific, I painted my room, I installed carpeting in my room, and there's a specific expense associated with that. And then there's indirect, like the rent for the entire home, the insurance for the entire home. Take that expense and multiply it by the percentage of space you're using. So the square footage of home you're using versus the total square footage of the home. Multiply that percentage by the detailed expense. Determine which one is greater, detailed or simplified, and take that to take a home deduction on your income tax return. Reach out with questions, CPA.